Okay. So now let's implement the function that will let us open and close all the inventory bags that we have, so we don't have to click each bag or each button to hide or to show all the bags. So let's get started. Let's go to position controller and let's create on the update function where we're going to do all of we'll do this element. So first of all, we need to set up the keys that are going to trigger opening of all the bags, and we have chosen Shift plus B. So the combination of Shift and B will open all our bags and close all our bags. So we'll put 1 to trigger that. So when we press the key code dot left shift, and when we press down the B code, B button, we're going to trigger this effect. Shift plus B. So we're going to go through all the children that the inventory game object has, which is these 4 bags and the items that are in there. So we'll go through all the children. So what we're doing here is to go through all the items of the game objects inside the inventory game object. And first of all, let's ask if the child, the given child that we're going through, has a component of inventory grid. If it doesn't have it, then we're just going to break, because it's a game object that we're not going to use. But if it does have it, we're going to go and use the variable to know if all the bags are hidden or shown. So let's ask top of all bags, then we're going to get the component of that children, and what we're going to do is hide the bag, each one. Else we're going to need to create a variable on the inventory grid if the bag is being displayed. So let's first do this over here. If not child, if the child object we are accessing on the component inventory grid doesn't have if it's not the bag being displayed, let's create this function. We'll get an error. Okay, let's create it. Copy paste. And what this function is going to do is just let us know what's the value of the show bag variable. Okay. So if the bag is not being displayed, then what we're going to do is to show the bag. Okay, so we're doing this because we need to make sure that the bag is not being displayed. Because if the bag is being displayed, we don't ask it. We're going to get positions available from our vector, and the program is going to think that we have more than 4 bags. Sure, we'll make a little comment over here. Make sure that the bag isn't being displayed already. And let's test it out. Hit save. And we're going to press Shift B. And nothing's happening. So let's see. And when we finish working with all this, we need to change the value of toggle all bags. So toggle all bags. It's true. Then what we need to do is set it to false. And if it's false, we need to set it to true. Okay. And we need to ask something we forgot. We need to ask if it's null. We're not going to do anything. And we also need to set up here the hide bag function. Okay. And we should be good to go, so let's try it out. Shift B opens all the bags, and if I press again, it'll close all the bags. So bag 1, bag 2, bag 4 opened, and we'll do Shift B, and it should open the bags that are left. So pretty cool. So we have our functionality.